Hello everyone and welcome back! I know around this time of year I am searching all over YouTube to find the perfect Christmas look, when usually I end up in my pajamas all day. So today I wanted to give you an impression of what I think the perfect Christmas look will look like. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. By the way, you might want to grab a cup of coffee because this is a long one. Disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist, so the way that I apply things may not be the way a makeup artist would, or I might do something wrong, but it's just the way that works for me. So thank you for coming back. I love you all. Please, please, please keep coming back. Keep watching and you can see how I got this look. So I've already moisturized. I used my Origins Ginseng moisturizer to prepare the skin for the makeup. I don't use primer. I used to use the Dr. Brandt pore refiner, but I ran out of the sample, so I no longer use that one anymore. I'm gonna prime my eyelids by using the Morphe translucent eye primer as the base for my eyeshadow. So I'm letting both of those just really sink into my skin. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Okay, so I use blonde on the inner corner here, and then I use brown on the rest of my eyebrow. This might not work for everybody. I feel like everybody has their own little way how they apply their makeup, and something totally different might work for you, but I found that this is the best routine that works for me. I'm using the Colorpop Brow Boss Gel to set my eyebrows. I'm gonna dip into this brown color right here first. Tap my brush off. I feel like blending is such an important part of when you're applying your eyeshadow. Take the same brush and I'm going to dip it into this burgundy color. I think that color is so pretty, and I think it screams Christmas. And I'm just gonna blend this all over. So now I've kind of blended these two colors into each other. I've been really into matte eyeshadow, so I think I'm going to stay away from putting a bunch of shimmer on my eye. I want to define that red a little bit more, make it pop just a little bit more. Next, I'm going to go in with this color right here. I feel like this is a really good inner corner shade right here. I don't know why I'm holding it so close to the camera. This is my secret to looking awake in the morning. And I feel like that gives me a little bit more definition. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that red and make sure it's nice and blended out. It'll look better than this, I promise. Put my eyeliner on. I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I think that's as similar as we're going to get. So next I'm going to curl my eyelashes. And then I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Next I'm going to do the bottom of my eye, and I'm going to take this in here. And I'm going to stamp it underneath on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to smudge that. Take my blending brush. I'm going to put this shade right here into my inner corner. This is the High Impact Mascara by Clinique. I just have a sample of it, and I really like using this on my bottom lash line. Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. Now we are moving on to foundation. Hua Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. Actually, I think I got the right color. Ooh, I actually really like this foundation. Okay, so I'm going to set this foundation with my It's Bye Pores pressed powder. Set my foundation using my Girlactik bronzer and Cabo. Get some definition in this pale white face. I like to bring it up there because I feel like it helps kind of like bring everything together. I feel like bronzing makes such a big difference. Like I feel like I have more definition to my face now. Beautiful. I think I'm going to use this color right here. Next, surprise, surprise. Ta-da! I feel like Christmas calls for lots and lots of highlight. Can you guys see that? So I have the Fenty Beauty, but I'm worried that this is really gonna clash with the eyes. So I'm not gonna use this today because I feel like it'd be too much. Because since I went so dramatic on the eyes, I don't want to do too much and wear this really bright red lip. I have not tried this yet and I really want to try it. So maybe in another video I'll do more of like a natural eye look and then I'll use this because I feel like you definitely need to go more natural in the eyes if you're gonna go with a bold lip. Okay, let me go get a lip color and I'll be right back. This is the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. This is from my wedding. Top of that, I think I am going to go in with a lip gloss. So this is the did I just spit? I love the applicator. right, so yeah, that was my whole look today. I am so excited about Christmas! No, but I am so excited about Christmas because I'm going to Florida. I'm going to spend time with my family. So I want to do a Christmas look that my sisters might want me to do on them. Hint, hint. Yeah, so I really, really hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!